thicker hair in one haircut? What is this new trend? Italian bob. Benefits are gonna be first thing we want to do, guys, is establish a center part. This is 100% even from front to back. You can basically see where my part is, and then I'm going to follow this all the way around, trying to keep this line 100% even, because I want it to match the line that I'm going to create on the bottom perimeter. I'm going to be taking, and I'm going to be using my comb, and then we're naturally just going to come in here and cut that off just like that. Keeping this as even as possible. We want no sort of jump in the back to the front. We want this 100% even all the way around. Should be even. Keep in mind, guys, that you don't necessarily have to do it. If the hair is a lot thicker than this, then divide this into two. You would take your first section here, this would be your second, this would be your third. But since we're not dealing with thick hair, I can divide this into two. Your desired length can be a little bit shorter, right on top of those shoulders, and or a little bit longer as well. Keeping in mind those things I mentioned before. Let's go ahead and dry this. Breaker blue. Oh man, dude, what are you gonna do? Holy shnikes. When you're blow drying hair, you're blow drying hair, man. Most people aren't gonna wear this straight. Most people are gonna wear it just like this. Let's go ahead and throw a little bit of texture in here. One of the things I like to do is I like to take a fairly large curling iron. This is considered a Marcel curling iron because a Marcel curling iron has no clamp to it. I'm taking rather big sections here. I just want to add a little bit of texture. So I'll go in and I'll just turn it right at the root. Then I'll twist it, okay? And I don't really necessarily hit too much on those ends. You see how it's cooling down as I'm kind of holding on to that. Because I don't really necessarily want it to look like a beach wave. I just kind of want to get texture in the hair. I put in a little bit of gel before I even started this haircut. And you're going to kind of start to see that this is actually adding a little bit of texture to that hair. Come here right in the back. Now what I want to do is I'm actually going to go the opposite way. So I did one row, one direction. Now I'm gonna go the other way, right up here on top. Because again, if you can switch up, because you don't want everything going the same direction. I don't like everything super, super perfect. cool thing is you actually kind of create a little bit of a dreadlock going there, which can be super badass as well. One of the cool things is I like to take my fingers through this and really just kind of break this up. I think this is super fun, super textured, and again, it starts to really kind of bring out a lot of that width and that volume. The other really cool thing, guys, is that you can become a pusher.
Like a drug pusher?
And not this kind of pusher, but this kind of pusher. This would be becoming the right kind of pusher, guys. Pushing it out of your face, going from left to right, to really just increase that volume. From a straight guy's perspective, it's so sexy. It is so sexy. Anything where you can draw some attention to your lips. Oh, guys, I mean, I'm sorry, I'm just doing hair, but you know what, the most important accessory you will ever wear is your hair. Make it sexy, guys. If you guys like this content, you guys want to show your support, super chats are below and you guys can donate to the channel. It basically allows me to buy more things, more mannequins, to do more of this. So I just appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. My name is Jake Thompson Hair. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video.